Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Kenny, and today we're in my 2009 Honda Civic, and I decided to change my headline today because I'm kind of getting bored of this color. Even though it's in good condition, I just want to do a little mod. Never done mods before, so just got bored and want to do something new. So what you'll need first is a couple of handy dandy tools like screwdrivers. So I got a flathead and a Phillips. You need a ratchet set to unscrew a couple things, scissors, adhesive spray, and of course the fabric. So what we're going to do is pop the hood, unplug the battery. Number two, take off the things that's holding down the headliner, like these sun visors, these handrails, the interior lights. And lastly, we'll take it out, put it in the backyard, put the new fabric onto the old headliner, and hopefully it'll look pretty dope. So I'm pretty excited, so yeah. Here's the update. Took the headliner off. As you can see, it's just like a freaking skeleton up in here, but yeah, try to look up how to take off the sunroof, but it's a pain in the neck because you see this frame right here. I think I'm just gonna leave it on because this frame is a pain in the neck to get out.
Would you ever ride away with me? Would you ever take a chance with me? Would you ever take a leap with me? Would you ever change your frequency? Would you ever? Would you ever? Would you ever? Would you Would you ever ride away with me? Would you ever take a chance on me? Would you ever take the leap with me? Would you ever change your frequency? Would you ever hope for a never ending? Would you ever hope for a new beginning?
Alrighty, hey y'all. So we just finished the headliner. Looks pretty dope. Got everything back on. Had my boy Johnson and Ed come through because I was having a hard time. Well, I finished it before, but it was mad wrinkly in the corners, and then they helped me pull it out and stretch the fabric, so now it's good. So yeah, it's a new change. It's not bad. Kind of sad I couldn't cover this part because it was a pain in the neck to take out because of the frame, but other than that, it's pretty lit. It's the whale, but hopefully I want to make more videos like these, and maybe their cars will be featured. Thank you for watching.